Hey y'all, it's Stephen Van Kampen-Lewis, and it is May 3rd. I just got my typical or annual order of orchids from Brazil, from Floralia. This is the third year in the row that I've done this, and I want to show you what $1,000 worth of orchids looks like. Believe it or not, this is $1,000 worth of orchids. And before we get too far into this video, I want to tell you that I'm not super interested in unboxing videos, so that's not what this video is about. I have no interest in doing an unboxing video because I don't really enjoy the videos. And I'm not saying anything bad about folks who make them, it's not my thing, so I'm not gonna make one. But I really do want to talk about a couple of different things. Ordering imports is fun. And I really encourage everybody to do it. You can really get amazing, unusual orchids that you just can't find anywhere else from other countries, whether it's Taiwan and some of the Asian countries for those Vandaceous types, or some of the other Asian types of orchids. Brazil has just an amazing array of unusual cattleyas or other types of Brazilian or South American orchids. They're just so far ahead of us here in the United States in terms of breeding and color varieties and just being able to get some of the species. The second thing I want to talk about is the importance of orchid friends. I am not a high roller. I cannot afford $1,000 worth of orchids, but I can split it with 3 other friends, and suddenly those costs come way down. And not only are the costs per plant, the total cost of the order down, but the cost of shipping per plant is less than 0. So typically what happens when the larger the order you order, the more of a discount you'll get. So we got about a 20% discount on this, which of course covers shipping and then a little extra. So basically I'm paying for the price of these orchids, free shipping, and maybe a little bit less than what is posted on the website. So having orchid friends, getting out and seeing your local society, and making those orchid nerd collections is really important. And the third thing that I want to show you is what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm not going to make an unboxing video, but I'll get kind of close. I want to open this and just show you, I'm not going to show you the plants, just how well, I want to show you how well they pack this. I am amazed every year at how many dozens of plants they can Floralia can expertly put into a box and ship from Brazil to my house. It's really something to behold. So I'm going to open this and show you what's inside. Sort of, not really. So this is the contents of the box. That small little box just has bricks of orchids, and each one of these is a different orchid. Big ones, I suspect a bunch of small ones in here, so these will be the seedlings, and then it looks like the rest of these, or a lot of these, will be really mature ones. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to separate these out into the different sort of parcels that I'm going to give out to my friends, and I will show you the results of this order probably in a couple years from now when these guys all start blooming. But I can also show you the results of my orders from 2 years ago. In fact, I already have. Some of the Cattleya ludemanianas that I showed you this spring were from Floralia orders a couple of years ago. So with that, I bid you farewell and have a great day, and I'm gonna play with some orchids. See ya.